In this video, I'll show you how to view your watch history on YouTube Smart TV. To view your watch history on YouTube Smart TV, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the YouTube app on your Smart TV. Once you have that open, make sure that you're signed in into your YouTube account. Now, navigate to the left sidebar of your screen and select Library. Now, on the Library section, go ahead and find and click History. That will allow you to view your watch history on YouTube. So, you'll see a list of video you've watched while signed into your account. You can go ahead and rewatch the past videos that you've watched into your YouTube account by selecting that video under your watch history. If you want to clear your watch history, you can do so from the same menu by selecting Clear Watch History. That's basically how you can view your watch history on YouTube Smart TV. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.